What's up, friends, and welcome back to Inform Overload. I'm the information overlord, Johnny Rogers.
And I'm Michael Mello, your pizza prince. And if you're new to the channel, we find the most interesting news stories on the internet and we make them more entertaining.
And to make things even more entertaining, we put some risers underneath Michael's feet.
Last video everyone said I was too short, so now we're evening it out.
Yeah,
okay?
And we don't want Charlotte to feel like she's a giant.
Exactly,
so,
but today it's a boys club. It's gonna be the boys.
Just a father-son outing, you know?
Yeah.
Plus, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And why, you ask? Well, because we post new content all the time. You never know what you're gonna get.
Exactly, and don't forget to stick around to the end of the video because we will be answering some of your comments from previous videos, so you're not going to want to miss out on that.
YouTube has implemented a new policy, and as their most recent blog post describes it, it is intended to specifically disallow younger minors from live streaming unless they are clearly accompanied by an adult. Younger minors sounds a bit redundant, so to clear things up, what they mean by this is anyone who is under the age of 14 must have parental permission before streaming on the platform.
Along with this new policy update, YouTube will also be tweaking the comment section on videos featuring minors as well. More specifically, they will disable any and all comments on videos with minors, as well as limiting the type of recommended videos that follow. Included with those limitations will be videos of minors in risky situations, as well as something they refer to as borderline content.
Now, YouTube doesn't exactly expand on what is included within borderline content. According to a spokesperson at YouTube, they actually don't determine themselves what is borderline under their policies. They said, "We rely on human evaluators and experts from all over the US to help train the machine learning systems that generate recommendations. As part of this, we ask evaluators to assess whether content is promoting unsubstantiated conspiracy theories or verifiably inaccurate information."
This change to the policies may have an impact on some of YouTube's biggest creators. For example, in 2018, the highest paid YouTuber was 7-year-old Ryan from Ryan Toys Reviews. Within 2018, he made an outstanding $22 million by reviewing children's toys. Although Ryan may skip past this new change and be unfazed by it, well, like, man, if I got paid that much just to play with toys, I would quit this job right now.
In the majority of Ryan's toy review videos, he is with a parent, and of course his accounts are handled by an adult. That'd be ridiculous if he handled his own accounts at 7. Or really impressive. Really impressive. Although the community that will be affected the most by this will be minors who use YouTube to stream themselves while playing things like video games. People gamers such as Griffin Spikowski, who at just 14 years old made $200,000 last year playing Fortnite, as well as Ethan Gamer TV, who at 12 years old has made close to $3.7 million, and my parents told me video games were a waste of time. I hope you're seeing this now, Mom.
At this moment, it's still not clear as to how YouTube will manage this new policy other than watching each video to make sure there's an adult hanging in the room. Perhaps they'll require some sort of credit card entry or other validation. But that aside, this policy will hopefully be a teaching moment for parents, and for those parents who are making their kids a lot of money.
It will give parents a real opportunity to monitor their child's internet activity and what they're posting as well. This is crucial when it comes down to teaching minors the potential risks and consequences that come with broadcasting yourself, well, to the world. Let's just hope they don't ruin the whole creative process too much with these young creators. Can you imagine if Griffin told his parents that he wanted to play Fortnite and they didn't like the game, so they told him to play like Pac-Man or some other dated game? That'd be disastrous. So just parents, be there, make sure they're not doing anything crazy, but just let the kids be kids, okay?
The last game I played was Pokemon, so that gives you.
Still around.
Still around, so it's still a good game. We want to hear your thoughts though on this new policy update, so let us know in the comment section below if you think this change is for the good, or do you think it's gonna negatively impact the number of creators out there?
People used to get excited for when they turned 16 because it meant that they could drive.
Yeah, man.
But now, like, I feel like kids are gonna be all wrapped up in like, I can't wait till I turn 14 so I can stream live on YouTube.
Yeah, and like then no one's gonna care when you're like 19 or 21 and you can legally do other things. I feel like 14 is gonna be the new like
14's the new 16.
Because if you can be a millionaire at 14, who needs to turn 21?
Seriously.
I don't know.
Yeah. Now let's check out some of your comments from the video title. Instagram influencer with 2.6 million followers can't even sell 36 shirts.
Yikes. BTS Wreck Me said, honestly, influencers are problematic a lot of the times. Some of them aren't bad, but others, yikes.
Yeah, the ones that just sell like protein powder.
Yeah, and like you can tell there's been a lot of work done, and you're just like, I think my least favorite is when someone really tries to push, it's clearly a sponsored ad, and you can tell it doesn't align with their brand, and you're just like,
Yeah. It's like Cardi B posting that like stuff about tea.
Yeah, and you're just like, girl.
You're like, that's not your thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Mouse in Your House says, I'm tired of influencers in general. I hope the bubble pops. It's a poppin'.
It's popping real quick, man. I mean, with every Instagram algorithm change, I feel like influencers are going like...
What's gonna be the next thing? Because I feel like influencer is like a new term. I wonder what the
game
new
changer? I don't know.
Game changer. I'm a game changer?
I'm a game changer.
Have you heard of me?
Yeah, I change things like games.
Changing games.
What's up?
This game
Right
been
here.
changed by
Us.
the game changers.
The game changers. We should sell t-shirts that say game changers.
Yeah.
That will be our thing.
100%.
I hope we sell more than 36 or whatever
We will.
the minimum is.
We'll sell 36 and a half.
Pedro Alma said, Michael Mello, you're so cute and groovy. I can't. Too
Goofy.
cute. Goofy. Well, I'm also groovy, so.
Goofy and cute.
I am not wearing contacts or glasses today, but I am goofy and groovy all at the same time. So thank you for your comment. And now you learned that I'm groovy too.
There you go. Zombie Bunny says, so we talk about how basic the t-shirt is, but not talk about white shirt with Supreme logo on it. I'm disappointed.
You know what? This is a good point.
But Supreme at least has a good advertising department. Like, that was smart marketing.
It was very smart marketing. It was like, sometimes simplistic works, but I don't know if you saw the t-shirt that the influencer was selling.
I briefly like saw a bit of it.
It's like a butterfly, and then it says like era, and it just was, it was like something you could do on like MS Paint.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
So I was like, nah.
I mean, you get what you get.
Jacob Bourne says, just make sure such influencers are legitimate before engaging. Sometimes it can be honey trap when you don't audit them properly via auditing platforms such as Influencer Auditor. And it turns out that they are fake influencers with fake followers. Yeah, I mean...
it's pretty easy to tell. Like, you just look at the number of likes and comments, like engagement.
Yeah,
You
can usually like vibe it. But you know what's interesting is that like recently I posted a photo and I got like 2,000 likes, and then I used the exact same hashtags, and then the photo only got like 600. So I'm like, how does Instagram work? I'm not an influencer. Like, Charlotte's an influencer.
Not by any means.
Not like a mean selling you t-shirts, but like she has a lot of followers. I'm just gonna cut myself
It's not like, buy my shirts.
buy my shirts.
No,
She's
no,
like,
no.
eat potatoes.
Yeah.
And they're for free.
She at least has a message.
And they're like good for you. Alright friends, thanks for watching Inform Overload. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, don't forget to tap that subscribe button as well.
And if you find any news stories that you want us to cover, just look for our Instagram page at Inform Overload. Send us a DM. If we like it, you may just see your story on our channel.
Yeah, and if you want more videos like this, then just click the playlist on the screen. From Inform Overload, I'm Michael Mello.
And I'm Johnny Rogers. And from the Game Changers, take care.
See you later.